Hi everyone, quick follow up on my British pound US dollar position. As you can see, the current market has actually fell right in our favour. We just missed our stop loss on the break of the trend line. So what I've done now, I've actually moved my stop loss down into a free trade. So my stop loss is currently at 1.27994-ish, which gives us a profit of about 34.8 pips, so about 34 pips in profit. So the worst case scenario, we're actually going to make 34 pips on this trade. Okay, so we're still quite far away from our target, 100%. The market has already moved about 50%, so that's why I've moved my stop loss down to bank just more than 25% of this position. So at the moment, I'm running this trade with no loss or any risk at all. So worst case scenario, I can only make money on this trade.